show you how to put on some highlighter because I like highlighter. First, you have to put it on your cheeks, around here, and down your nose and your face right here. So what I like to do is put on my cheeks first after you put on blush. And it's easier to blend it in after you're done, well, after you're all done, just so you don't look too shiny. I like getting the pearl white look. Okay, that's how I put it on. Very simple, very pretty, and it makes you enhance your face. Does that look okay?
Looks beautiful.